Winnebago County board members get a look at a new program focused on fighting crime. It focuses on a partnership between police and community members with the help of technology. Nikel Delgado learned more about the idea. Nikel, what's the plan?
Well, Eric, board members want to take advantage of devices growing in popularity, and that's Ring doorbells. The hope is the extra eyes will reduce rising crime numbers.
I thought this would have the most beneficial impact throughout my whole district, and it would create a sense of safety and create a sense of security.
Public Safety and Judiciary Committee Chairman Bert Garrell is making the case for expanded use of Ring doorbell cameras in Winnebago County. He knows they won't prevent every crime, but believes they can play a critical role in getting ahead of it.
Initiative that we could have throughout the whole county, and it would be a partnership with law enforcement agencies within the county and residents. So we're going to try to bring everybody together to actually do something positive.
Ring already is a part of a crime prevention program with the Rockford Fire Department and Roscoe Police Department.
The overall goal is to provide a sense of security for our residents and to get the evidence that we need to prosecute crimes that need to be prosecuted.
Director of Chairman's Office of Criminal Justice Initiatives, Marlena Dawkins, says they're excited to see how advancements in technology can be used to keep communities safe.
Every street had one. We could catch the cars that are driving through the streets, and that is what helps the courts prosecute individuals when they're looking for somebody who committed a crime.
Dawkins and Garrell say if 2,000 Ring doorbell cameras can be placed throughout the county, it will make an impact on crime.
We'll provide the Ring doorbells that we're listening to their concerns, that we understand that crime is an issue, that people don't feel safe going out of their house. Sometimes they don't feel safe in their house.
The plan is expected to cost $180,000. Funding would come from the American Rescue Plan. The goal is to have this program in full swing by midsummer. Eric?